All right, we made it. We made it to the monument. Thanks to the Byrd. The Byrd brought us all the way to the monument. If not, I would have never ever made it this close. This is the closest you can get. So I'm going to take you guys on a ride, and hopefully I won't kill myself on this Byrd, right? You gotta be skilled to ride these electric things. These things are jerky, I tell you. It's okay full speed, but it's jerky one-handed. So we're gonna go around, and we're gonna go around the whole park and see if we can make it. Look how nice this park is over here. Kind of under construction, but they got it roped off and everything. Sidewalk closed. I don't know what they're building. Hopefully they're building a swimming pool or something. Anyway, you gotta say that you went around, right? You just drove by it. It's one thing. You did see it, but at least they got these bathrooms. That last place was a bathroom, and this place got a bathroom. I see another bathroom. So, we got traffic over here. We got traffic. Coming on the right. Thank you. Coming on the left. Thank you. All right, we made it around the traffic. All right, let's see here. Whoa, squirrel. Whoa. See, I almost crashed already. Dangerous over here, I tell you, on this Byrd. All this for awesome memory. Riding the Byrd around the national park. Oh, this thing is scary. Oh, look at that. Horse poop. Still cruising around. I'm sure everybody's just driving around the circle. Say they drove around the monument, right? Some people walk around the monument. I can say I birded around the monument, right? Who knows how long these birds are going to last? Because as Indianapolis, they got them taken away. So coming on the left. Thank you. I'm making you guys famous, but looking on the monument. We still cruising around. Oh, look at the cute puppy. Aww. Coming on the left. Thank you. See everything out here. All kinds of people. Coming through the center. Thank you. All right. So look, there's somebody's house here. It's probably somebody that takes care of the property, right? So let's go check out his driveway over here. Whoa. Whoa. This thing not too steady. Man, that's like back in George Washington days kind of house right there. Oh, I see something important across the street over there too. I think we're gonna have to go over there too. Oh, look, here's the nice side right here. This is the nice side. Look at that view right there. Look. You see the view of DC? Man, look at those monster buildings. This place is awesome. All right, so you saw the tower. Let's take a U-E and go see what that is. Oh, that's the fountain where they do the speech and all the zillion people, right? Isn't that the Martin Luther King place where he did the speech? Right there with the zillion people. All right, we're gonna cruise down this sidewalk with the monument behind me. How priceless is this, right? For those of you that don't travel and that's watching this, as the old Chinese lady said to me, you better travel before you cannot walk. That made me get my butt up, that's for sure. Cause look, there's the Segway tour. Uh-oh. I almost couldn't stop. If I couldn't stop. Oh, they got my green helmets too. Got my green helmets on. See? They see everything I see. And I'm pretty sure they pay $70. Uh-huh. Yep. Pretty cool. Oh, they got something way over there across the lake over there. I think that's some sort of monument over there. I think that's something priceless. You know what monument that is? The one way over there? Jefferson. The Jefferson Monument. All right, the Jefferson Monument. I think. All right, I was just about to go push the button. I think if without pushing the button, we ain't never gonna go. All right, here we go. All right. Segway, Segway. All right, let's see here. This thing is priceless right here. Priceless, right? You see this on the TV all the time. Whoa, got people walking around in the pond. Whoa. Okay, I gotta go down there, but I need my brakes, okay? Because it's not gonna be pretty. Yeah. I need one of those foot stoppers. Foot stoppers. Or there's nobody around. Coming left, coming left. All right. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that, they've got their feet in the water. Wow, man, that's just awesome. Come on. You know you gotta put your feet in the water, right? You know you gotta walk in the water, right? All right, here we go. I think it's slippery. It's slippery. How far can I go in? How far do you go in before the police is called? Huh? I don't see anybody swimming. Yeah, I'm in the deep end already. I don't see anybody walking through this. Oh, I so want to walk through this. Look at that. Look at that view. Holy macaroni. That is crazy.